Morning. So thanks for following along on the journey. This week's video is mostly just, hey, look what I saw. Nothing too crazy, but it's not the same as everyone in the whole world gets to see. So take care and like and subscribe, share, all that kind of stuff. Get my seatbelt on and get on and driving. So what do you think of the farmland around here? Got some bush, but got some nice stuff growing too. Anyway, canola is pretty color. You see it off in the background there as well. Anyway, show you a bit more in a second. So this is a farming area. It's fairly well established. Some nice houses all around, but
If it has
oh,
fire, and so it's where your twists are, where you connect them together.
there's some hay. Looks like it's pretty well dry now. And some more canola. Well, what time is it in the morning? 6:30. See that? How often do you see a rainbow at 6:30 in the morning? That's kind of cool, huh? Anyway, got a little bit of hay cut. Man, that just smells like something good. Always. Rolling in to get some. Oh, I better change channels. Get some gravel. Did everyone wave to Fern just there? Yeah, that's quite cool. You don't often see rainbows first thing in the morning. Anyway, that was traveling sights for this week. Talk to you later. Pull in the pit and get loaded. Pretty fun. Maybe I'll pause it and watch while you can see what I'm doing. It's exactly the same. Just in case you really want to watch this. Man, now there's a good rainbow. Get stopped maybe and watch it. There you are, the pot of gold in this country. Not gravel anywhere, except in a few spots. My glass is too dirty. 980 cat loader. That's about 10 tons per bucket load. So 3 bucket loads load you up. Finish off the front, load up the back. Actually, he's heavy enough there. Do the torque wrench exchange, torque some wheels, and I pull in and get my load on. $10 tons. So sprinkle a little more in my truck, and then pull ahead, dump the rest in the pup. Hey, take another bite, and I'll watch my air gauge on my trailer there, make sure I've got the right weights. Sun in my eyes. Something like that. See you in a couple hours. There we go. Oh, I guess my phone disconnected from my truck. Don't much like this scale. You look in your mirrors, and it looks like you're about 4 inches of space on both sides of the tires. It's a little more than that, but that's all it feels like. You're always worried about scrubbing the tires.
Right, that little tweak that you give it there worked just perfect.
Even the crops look good. The loader man was saying there was a bear hopping around there yesterday, but I didn't spot him. There's something nice about this country in the summer, don't you think? Anyway. Oh, there's deer out there. Straight across right now. See his head? It is pretty country. That's for sure. Canola, then move on to, what do we got? Wheat? Maybe? Yeah, it looks like wheat. The side looks good, actually. So this is my commute. What's yours look like? I like that yard. Looks good. Clean and, you know. How come my yard doesn't look like that? Oh, I know why. Too much crap I keep collecting. Oh well. More canola. Hey, all you people working in the cities, I feel sorry for you. Look at this. Little canola, little alfalfa, wheat fields. Life's a lot better out here than in the city. So is that cow elk still there with her calf? Just around the corner here. Makes for a pretty morning, huh? Yeah, I don't see her. Maybe she's in the pea field. Now look at that. Get the window down on that business. 3 big bull elk. Where am I? Out in the canola field. Huh. More elk. Maybe it's the same ones. I think it's them. Same dudes. Yeah. So what am I, 60 yards from them? That's a lot of seagulls.